Did you know that you don't need to spend all day on LinkedIn to grow your business? Let's discover how using Lykoza it is now possible to boost your prospects, increase your connections, and transform your business in a record time. What's up, business buddies? Allow me to demonstrate the use of Lykoza, the tool that will be your ally in your quest of growth. It is designed to automate your LinkedIn outreach and help you manage your professional network more effectively. We're gonna start first by the prospect section. So here where your prospects will be imported. You can either import CSV file via LinkedIn search from a LinkedIn group or LinkedIn event. Your prospects imported will all be shown here. So once the import is complete, your leads will be directly launched into the campaign. So for that, you need to choose a sequence. It is made up of actions that you want to see accomplished on your prospects. There is also the chat section, here where you can always start a conversation with your prospects. This section of account activity, you can always choose when you want your Lykoza actions to be sent. Select the time zone, the working days, working hours, and you can also edit your max daily quota, meaning that the max of invitation that you can send is only 53. If you send more, the app will simply be blocked, so send 53 or less. Same thing goes to message, follow, visits, and message requests. Here is the CRM. You can choose to send the data of your leads from Lykoza to the CRM of your choice. There is HubSpot, Pipedrive, Salesforce, no CRM. Here is the email. Basically, with Lykoza, you can automate your cold emailing, but also your multi-channel prospecting. Lykoza can send the emails that you have written. It needs access to your email accounts. Thanks for watching. Now you know how Lykoza can help you boost your growth. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips. I'll see you in the next video.